Meron na kaming schoolboy! Come on! Hi! Good morning, Alonzo! Wow! Papasok na! Meron na kaming schoolboy! Yeah, we'll see you later. Bye, Dad.
Bye!
Bye! Say bye-bye! Bye-bye! Yung ating schoolboy. Excited ka na ba niyan, Nak? Yan na yun? Hi! We're almost there, Nak. Sleepy pa rin? Ha? We're almost there. Lonzo Bear. Wala. Nakatingin lang siya sa labas. Lonzo Bear, come on, let's go. Let's go. Hi. Come on. Hi. Oh, let's go na. Come here na. Come, 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 come. Come to mom. Come on. Bye-bye. Naihatid na namin si Alonzo. Now we're working. Daddy's working already. Susunduin na namin siya. Kanina mami umiyak. Hindi siya umiyak pagpasok. After a while, siguro nag-doon yung realization sa kanya na everybody's new. The area was very stressful. They were taking other kids. Okay, let's see po.
Let's wait for it. Yeah, I heard.
Oh, it's okay.
Why are you crying? It's okay.
He cried. Dad. It's okay. Umiyak daw siya. Pero gumagawa ng activities kahit umiiyak. Diba? Did you dance? Did you dance like this? He cried. Oh, eto na, upo ka na. It's okay. Oh, it's so upo. Were you looking for mom and dad? Huh? Were you looking for mama and dada? Huh? Hungry na yung aming baby boy. Yung aming school boy. Eat na! Eat! Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Good job! Wow!
Ano mga sa akin yung dalawang videos na ano? Sinang sa group?
Wait lang. More food?
Are you eating?
Yeah! Yum-yum naman yung food mo eh. yours. That's yours. Oh, thank you. Oh, sige. A little bit lang. Nagutom ka, kaiyak. One more. Lonzo Bear. Here. Curtains.
Parang nagsaslide yung video. Kasi ito, nandito na siya.
Yummy in my belly. Walking up. Lonzo Bear, come here. Hi. Come on, let's go. Ayun na nga, yung schoolboy natin. Tulog na tulog. Napagod. Ayan, so sabi ng teacher niya, nag-iyak-iyak daw siya, pero gumagawa pa rin siya ng activities kahit na umiiyak. Siyempre, normal naman yun. Kahit sa ibang bata naman, ganun din naman sila. Since first time nila na mahiwalay ng matagal, na walang kasamang familiar faces, no, sa loob ng classroom. But yeah, you'll do better next time, my love, right? Pagod na pagod siya. So that is it for our video today. We'll see you soon. Who knows? Maybe next month or next 6 months. Bye, everyone.